Zhongshan Zhiqing Automatic Machinery Company Limited, established in 2016, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of three-layer mask machine, KF94 mask machine, N95 mask machine, 3D mask machine, and positioning mask machine, packing machine. Our cooperation company is located in Dongguan City for automatic machinery production line and CNC. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Turkey, Korea, Canada, Brazil, Indonesia, Thailand, and so on. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Zhiqing will continue to adhere to our business philosophy of customer first, quality-oriented, mutually beneficial cooperation principles to sincerely provide high-quality products and efficient services to our customers. As a stable and fast-growing enterprise, we will constantly keep abreast of the world, improve production and equipment to provide good products and reliable service.